We live from Carolina versus the world. Like Rocket and Dragway. Boostdoctor, bill collector, head up on 15s. Now this is a crazy race, man. Y'all stay tuned. Here we go. Yo, what's going on?
That was turned down,
What's up?
How was you on I see it. Who what happened just now? Bill Collector made a pass. Luke Cage made a pass, man. They about to lock in and go down through there. So we headback gonna flip your ass. Hey, you know, hey, I'm home team, man. It's Carolina versus World right now. Home team. So good on Boostdoctor. How many people live say good on Boostdoctor? We got a couple hundred people on here. Okay, like he hit the wall.
Lost his steering.
Oh man, he done hit the wall.
Race. On the bumper.
They both had wheels in the air.
Down. Wow.
All right, he out of the car, y'all. He good. You good?
Yeah.
All right.
It broke the damn, when it landed off the wheelie, it broke the steering. So like I couldn't steer it, just went straight into the wall.
Oh, all right.
He whooped that goddamn I did the late night out this bitch.
Yeah. That motherfucker was up in there. That's all.
Yeah.
I ran down stuff.
Was that your camera on there?
Yeah.
I know.
Is it down there in there somewhere?
It's under the car.
Oh, okay. They probably still recording. Yeah, it's still running. Yeah, this one's still running. You just get to it. Yeah, there you go. Thank you. That footage ought to be crazy.
the win.
Boostdoctor, oh, like he hit the wall.
Boostdoctor lost his steering.
Oh man, he done hit the wall.
Race. On the bumper.
They both had wheels in the air.
God damn.
I mean, the only reason why I stayed in it, I was still in front of him. So I'm like, goddamn, I'm goddamn making best I can make out this shit, you know what I'm saying? But when it came back on power though,
Running down to him.
it was like, fuck, I don't even know who shit this was. Nigga, I see you jump on that bitch. I just jumped on that bitch and goddamn took off. He was dead.
God damn it.
Yeah, he was dead. That's what I said. God damn. He was dead with the wheel and shit. He was dead. Then he come by you. You know what I'm saying? When you come that second wheel. I seen it just going
I turned the wheel. Yeah, I turned the wheel. It went turn.
I knew something broke. I said,
Like this whole A-arm over here, the whole shit broke.
He knocked out
Like the shot on the ground and the A-arm all the way up.
I said, it gotta be something.
Hey, look at that thing bent all the way in the front right there.
The second time when it came down, you see the car just drop over.
Okay.
And that's why I was like, it was going towards the wall. I said, oh, he can't steer it. That's why I ran down the steps. Because I knew he was going to be trapped by the time he got it.
It was like he was riding that bitch out though.
Yeah,
I thought he was gonna try to go
I was still in the front.
Yeah.
Like when I landed the first time, I was still in front of him.
That's what I said.
That's why I got back.
Yeah. But then she went up too happy.
Hey man, don't you text no shit like that in the group chat. You said it. You said this in the group chat. You said
What
this
did he say?
shit.
Hope you don't win.
Yeah.
God damn it.
We gonna know.
I ain't know what they was gonna do with the dope in the world now. Bounce the motherfucker like, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, the green box called white privilege. Man, niggas.
No, they ain't doing it.
Once that shit get back there, they already on their down 10 something.
That's the bumper dragging like that.
Well, it don't look that bad now that ain't on the wall.
Not that bad, really.
I don't know how to do it. I smoke that.
Man, we ain't worried about this shit, man.
Hey, this might be like that and cut niggas. See the
We ain't worried about this shit. Thing about it is, as a driver, I did all I could do, man. When I landed, he wouldn't steer. So, you know, it ain't like I was out of control. The car never even
I could have been way worse.
Alright, YouTube. Appreciate y'all tuning in, man. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. I'll see y'all on the next video.
Y'all see what's going on. 1972 Chevrolet Impala, Miami Dolphins theme for the perfect season in 72. Y'all see how it's sitting perfect on QA1 suspension? Y'all hear it's running perfect with the Magnuson supercharger on it. And you know the interior perfect because it's done by, stitched by Slick. And y'all already know how we do. We put it all together, mix that thing up in the pot. You know it's perfect just like that. So a 1972 perfect season dunk, man. So make sure y'all go to InAndOutCustom.com, click the link, and get your tickets. That's all you gotta do.
Make sure you click that link, get you some tickets, man, stay in the game.
That's it. That's all you gotta do, man. Click the link.
Get the ticket.
You are watching a master at